Introducing the newest generation of low VOC PVC bonding adhesive technology, Elevate Jet Bond PVC Spray Adhesive. Elevate Jet Bond PVC is a low VOC sprayable bonding adhesive packaged in a portable pressurized canister and formulated for double-sided application. Jet Bond PVC provides excellent adhesion of standard Elevate PVC membranes and flashings to approved substrates in both horizontal and vertical applications according to Elevate specification. Elevate Jet Bond PVC is not approved for use with Elevate PVC XR, Elevate PVC KEE, or PVC KEE XR membranes. The application of Elevate Jet Bond PVC spray adhesive is supported by several key accessories. Elevate Jet Bond PVC spray adhesive canister, Elevate Jet Bond PVC cleaner canister, spray gun, canister hose, either 12 feet or 18 feet. Other available accessories include the 10-piece spray gun replacement tips. All accessories are sold separately. Ensure all surfaces are clean, smooth, dry, and free of foreign materials like oil, grease, or other contaminants that could negatively affect adhesion. The use of third-party dispensing systems is not approved for Jet Bond PVC. If installing Jet Bond PVC in temperatures below 65 degrees Fahrenheit, store cylinders in a heated place and move to project area during application. Jet Bond PVC can be applied in temperatures as low as 35 degrees Fahrenheit, but the canister temperature must be kept at 65 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure proper performance. Do not apply Jet Bond PVC in windy conditions exceeding 15 miles per hour. Dispense Elevate Jet Bond spray adhesive in a well-ventilated area using appropriate personal protection equipment. Agitate the Jet Bond PVC canister for 30 seconds prior to use. Periodically shake the canister during application to maintain canister pressure and produce the optimal fan spray pattern. Connect the spray hose to the gun and tighten fittings securely with a wrench. Connect the other end of the hose to the Jet Bond PVC adhesive cylinder outlet and tighten fittings securely with a wrench. Slowly turn the adhesive cylinder valve to the halfway open position, counterclockwise rotation. The installer should check for leaks at each connection between the canister, gun, and hose assemblies. Tighten the connections to stop any leaks. Once the leak check has been completed, the installer should turn the valve all the way to the open position. Now the Jet Bond PVC assembly is turned on. Once the canister is turned on with the gun and hose attached, it is best practice to leave the canister in the on position until all adhesive material has been used and the installer is ready to connect another Jet Bond PVC canister. Do not turn the cylinder off with the gun and hose attached for any duration of time, as the adhesive will dry and clog in the hose. Leaving the canister on will ensure the hose is kept under pressure and will prevent the adhesive from drying and clogging in the hose. When the canister system is not in use, turn off the gun control wheel to the off position to prevent accidental spray. If the canister must be turned off, the hose gun assembly should be fully evacuated and cleaned prior to storing. Select the width of the desired pattern using the control wheel located behind the gun trigger. The more open the wheel, the wider the spray pattern. The more closed the wheel is, the narrower the spray pattern. Spray both the back of the membrane and the substrate with a continuous uniform pattern. With the canister in vertical position, begin applying the adhesive with a 50% overlap of the previous pattern, holding the gun approximately 12 inches from and perpendicular 90 degrees to the substrate. Porous substrates may require an additional pass of adhesive to ensure enough adhesive is on the surface for bonding the membrane. Apply adhesive at about the same time to both the membrane and the substrate to allow approximately the same flash-off time. Do not apply adhesive to seam areas intended to be hot air welded. Allow both coated surfaces to flash off until the adhesive does not transfer to finger or knuckle when touched. After drying, adhesive will not be tacky to the touch, but will contact bond together. In most cases, adhesive will dry within 3 to 5 minutes. The installer should contact bond the substrates together as quickly as possible after drying. The installer should not wait more than 30 minutes before mating the membrane to the substrate. If the membrane and substrate have not been mated for longer than 30 minutes after adhesive application, Simply reapply a new light coat of adhesive to one of the surfaces and allow it to flash off. Then mate the membrane and substrate. If you run out of adhesive but still have more roof to install, you'll need to replace the empty canister with a new one. Once the canister is empty of adhesive, close the valve to the off position on the cylinder and depressurize the hose by opening the gun. Remove the hose from the old canister and attach the hose to the new canister. When the adhesive is dry, roll the membrane into the substrate while avoiding wrinkles. Smooth with hand or lightly broom the entire surface to ensure there are no wrinkles or air pockets. Apply as much uniform pressure as possible across the entirety of the bonded surface with a clean J-roller. For vertical surfaces, flashings, or 100-pound linoleum roller, horizontal surfaces, flat roof deck, to achieve maximum contact. After surfaces have been bonded and rolled, check the adhesive by peeling back the edge of the installed membrane. Adhesive should not release from either surface. An acceptable initial bond will exhibit stringing of adhesive from both surfaces. Once done applying Jet Bond PVC, use the Jet Bond PVC cleaner, acetone or MEK, to clean all spray equipment parts. An open canister can be taken and used at the next job. All Jet Bond PVC spray adhesive should be used within 30 days of opening the canister. Thank you for joining us to learn about installing the Elevate Jet Bond PVC spray adhesive. Get more done with Elevate Jet Bond PVC.